In this short video tutorial, we will talk about the anchor tag that you can use in the body section of your web page to create a link between different pages in your website, or to create a link between your web page and the external and some external website. The name of the language is HTML and its full form is Hypertext Markup Language. In the very first tutorial, we discussed that it is called hypertext because it stands for connected text. So the pages are connected to each other in the same website also, and the pages can be connected with other websites also with the help of the anchor tag. So it is because of this anchor tag that we call the HTML language as a connected kind of a language. So let's see how we can use the anchor tag in the body section. Now, to write the anchor tag, we have to use angle bracket and then A. So A stands for the anchor tag. Now, when you write the anchor tag, you have to give the URL of the web page with which you want to create the connection. So to create the connection, you have to use the href attribute. This is the very important attribute that you have to use with the anchor tag. Without the href attribute, the anchor tag has no meaning, because if you do not give the URL of the page with which you want to create the connection, the anchor tag has no purpose at all. So let's say we want to create a connection with google.com. So I'll give the href as http://www.google.com. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to create an anchor tag that will take us to google.com when we will click on that tag. So this is how we have opened the tag with the angle bracket and the character A. Href is the attribute where we have to give the URL of the web page. Now, after the href attribute, I will close this the opening of the tag with this angle bracket, and after this, I will write some text. So I will write uh, Google, go to Google. So this is the text that will be displayed to the user. As of now, we have not closed the tag. So this is the opening tag, which contains an attribute href. This is the text that will be displayed to the user. Now we will close this tag. So to close this tag, we have written the angle bracket, then forward slash, then A, and then we have used the closing bracket. So this complete line, with this complete line, we have created the anchor tag. This is the opening tag. This is the text that will be displayed to the user. This is the closing tag. And href is the URL where we want to take the user. So I will press Ctrl S and I will save this code, and let's see how it shows up in the browser. So let's see the output in the browser. This is the output from the previous tutorial. Now when I will refresh this page, we will see the output of the code that we have written. So this is how the anchor tag looks like in the browser. This is the text which we wrote over here. So this is the text that is shown to the user. And when we take our mouse on this link, you will notice this hand icon, which tells us that we can click on this link and it will take us to some URL. Now, if I click over here, it should take us to google.com. So let me click here and notice that it has taken us to google.com, and you see the Google search page here. So this is how you can create a link in your web page by making use of the anchor tag. Remember that the href attribute is the most important attribute, because without this, the anchor tag will have no use at all. So the opening anchor tag, then the text that you have to show to the user, and then the closing of the anchor tag. These three things you have to write when you are creating the anchor tag, when you are creating a link with the help of the anchor tag. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.